for you. You can also choose from different options that you have here. You can choose whatever you want. I think I'll go with this one. Likewise, we can select this particular thing and click on generate visuals. We all have some sort of business ideas, right? Those random ideas which come to us when we are preparing chai, or when we are halfway through our shower, or when we are pretending to be active on a Zoom call. But the moment you are trying to explain that idea to somebody, you are stuck with circles or square boxes on a tissue paper. We've all been there. But what if there is a tool that can take your rough idea and generate a clean, structured visual map automatically? Meet Napkin.ai, a tool that takes your messy ideas and turns them into smart visual diagrams without you having to be a mind map expert or graphics designer. So let's see how it all works. Let's head over to Napkin.ai and click on Get Napkin Free. I'll sign in with Google and the steps repeat. And that's it. I am almost done with my registration process. So as always, it will ask you a few basic questions. How are you planning to use Napkin? Select one. So let's say for work. Next, how big is your company? Let's say 2 to 10. What kind of work do you do? Product management. Let's say product management. I'll select some, do random things. Click on submit. Click on done and you are all set. Click on create my first napkin. It has two options: by pasting my text content or by generating text using the AI. So I'll go with by pasting my text content, because what I want to do is from the presentation that we created yesterday, I want to create the visuals for that. So what I'll do is I'll copy this thing from here. I'll come back and paste my content. Okay, this is one. I'll go to the next one. I'll copy this entire thing. I will paste it over here, right? So for this one, I'll click on generate visual, the first one. It'll take the content from here, and there you see. So BizMate's impact on efficiency. It is generating an image for you. You can also choose from different options that you have here. You can choose whatever you want. I think I'll go with this one. Likewise, we can select this particular thing and click on generate visuals. It will take the data from here and it will generate the visuals like you want. The high cost of inefficiency. Inefficiency causes wasted time and rising costs, right? So you can see we have different visuals being created here, right? You can see here causes of inefficiency in SMBs. Okay, likewise, you can go to this one and check. There are a lot of visuals that get generated for the same content. I'll probably go with this one, right? Likewise, you can just copy paste any content that you want, right? And it will generate the infographics for you. I'm going over here, pasting this, selecting all of this text and click on generate visual. You can see it has generated invoicing feature, visuals for it. You can use whichever you like. So I'll go with this one. Now you can download this and upload it onto this platform to make the visuals even better. So it's all about combining multiple platforms to get the best output. Napkin.ai is meant for creating much better visuals, while Gamma.ai was for creating good presentation. Combine them both and you make the presentation much better with value added visuals. This tool helps us create instant visuals for any context that we have. And what we showed was just a very simple example. You can use this to create startup pitches, study notes, comparison maps, project flows, strategy breakdowns, or even explainer diagrams. Basically any idea that you want to organize or communicate better. Whether you are a student, professional, business owner, or anybody who just thinks in scribbles, this tool turns your thoughts or ideas into something more meaningful. So do give it a try, and next time when you have some random ideas, don't just scribble it on a tissue, but rather use napkin and get a meaningful visual which can be shared with your friends or families, or maybe investors. Share it with someone who keeps getting some random ideas but aren't able to share what are their ideas or thoughts. Until then, thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.